Hello and welcome to our video on techniques for losing weight. Losing weight can be a daunting task, but with the right techniques and strategies, you can achieve your weight loss goals and maintain a healthy lifestyle. In this video, we'll share some effective techniques that you can use to lose weight and improve your overall health and well-being. Rule 1. Set realistic goals. The first technique for losing weight is to set realistic goals. Many people make the mistake of setting unrealistic goals that are difficult to achieve, which can lead to frustration and disappointment. Instead, set small and achievable goals that you can accomplish in a reasonable amount of time. For example, aim to lose 1 to 2 pounds per week instead of 10 pounds in a month. Rule 2. Keep track of your calories. Keeping track of your calories is another effective technique for losing weight. You need to create a calorie deficit to lose weight, which means you need to burn more calories than you consume. Use a calorie tracking app or a food diary to keep track of your daily calorie intake and make adjustments as needed. Rule 3. Eat whole foods. Eating whole foods is another technique for losing weight. Whole foods are nutrient-dense and contain fewer calories than processed foods. Eat plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats to fuel your body and promote weight loss. Rule 4. Drink plenty of water. Drinking plenty of water is another technique for losing weight. Drinking water can help you feel full and reduce your appetite, which can help you consume fewer calories. Aim to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day and avoid sugary drinks, which can add extra calories to your diet. Rule 5. Exercise regularly. Exercising regularly is another effective technique for losing weight. Exercise can help you burn calories, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall health. Aim to get at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day, such as walking, jogging, or cycling. You can also add strength training to your routine to build muscle and boost your metabolism. Rule 6. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is also crucial for losing weight. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormones, increase your appetite, and lead to weight gain. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night and avoid screen time before bed, which can interfere with your sleep. Rule 7. Stay motivated. Staying motivated is another essential technique for losing weight. Losing weight can be challenging, but staying motivated can help you stay on track and achieve your goals. Find a support system, set rewards for yourself, and remind yourself of the benefits of weight loss to stay motivated. In conclusion, losing weight requires a combination of techniques and strategies that promote a healthy lifestyle. By setting realistic goals, keeping track of your calories, eating whole foods, drinking plenty of water, exercising regularly, getting enough sleep, and staying motivated, you can achieve your weight loss goals and maintain a healthy lifestyle. We hope you found these techniques helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness content.